Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I have something really important to talk about. It's about My Forex Fund live account. I got that account last month, and then when I started trading the live account, so many things happened. So that's why I want to make this video. So if you are someone like trying to get funded, or maybe you just passed the challenge, you guys can get something out of this video. The long story short, what happened was when I started guys live trading, I was suddenly went to a drawdown. Even though I did my two challenges quite pretty good in a very less amount of time, as soon as I started the live account, I went to like almost 6% down, and by that time I was risking 1% for every trade. And that's where I realized like oh my god, what happened, like 6% down straight away, and I couldn't even take my account back up. So then I was thinking, if I keep like risking the same amount for the 1%, and then now I have only like 6 chances, right? So and then I decided to reduce my risk. So after that, when I hit like 6% down, I started trading like 0.5% risk with every trade. Guys, this method actually helped me a lot, because to at least get some momentum up, because when you down like 6 trades in a row, you actually your mindset is pretty bad, and then you're trying to make it back. But if we do the same mistake again, and if you don't follow our plan, we're going to be in that same place like for many years. That's why this time I quickly accepted it, the 6% loss, and I wasn't complaining, but I just try my best to be solution focused. So same like for you guys, if you are taking this challenge, if you hit like 6%, even 7-8% drawdown, just reduce the risk. And you can't blame yourself. Anything can happen in this market, right? The main thing is keeping your mind strong in every situation. After that, I managed to get my account back to 10,000 from that 6% drawdown. And then guess what happened? I was in another drawdown of almost 8%. So for last month it was like a roller coaster, guys. But then again I started reducing the risk. I mean, like under just like 2% overall drawdown, so in a very healthy position than the last month. So I just wait for my setups, and then really try my best to follow my plan. That's why I always say, guys, if you have a strategy, but the strategy by itself can't make you profitable, can't make you stay in this game. So only thing that you can do is you just need to follow your plan. I think these figures actually show us even though when things can go bad, but they can turn around pretty quickly as well. I used to fail 4 challenges before I get this account. So every time what happened was I couldn't follow my plan. And then my mindset wasn't in a right spot. So that's why, guys, like if you are doing these challenges, and these are pretty hard, like these 12%, even the daily drawdown 5% rule, it can violate pretty easily if we don't follow our plan. So that's why I'm saying, if you guys doing these challenges, as soon as you get into the live account, just try to be relaxed. Because what will happen, I was overconfident when you pass like phase 1 and then phase 2. I was way overconfident. I thought like oh, everything is done and I'm the pro. Now it's only like I just have to start making money. But then I understand, after getting these big hits, the real challenge just started. We cannot say like the phase 1, phase 2, they are just like I guess like the very small challenges, but the real challenges start when you get the live account. So that's where we need to follow our plan more than we did it in our the phase 1 and phase 2 account. Because if we fuck up this plan, we're going to put all that hard work that we put into last 2 accounts and then failed challenges into the water. So that's why I'm asking guys, if you are doing this, try your best to follow your plan and stick it to it. And also I'll show you guys from my forex book my account stats, and also the US30 trade I took yesterday. So let's go back to my computer and I'll share the screen for you. So guys, you can see on my screen, this is my account, My Forex Fund 10K real account. And then look what happened here. So since I started, I went through a drawdown, you know, straight away to 6%, so almost like 6% drawdown. And then after that, this is where I managed to reduce the risk and then go with 0.5%. and then even though I trade like, you know, 0.5%, I managed to get the account to almost break even. But after that, I was in a drawdown again. So if I keep risking the same 1%, by in this area, I'll lose my account. You guys can see here, when managing the risk properly can do a real magics to your equity curve. So it can keep you long in the game. If you are in a drawdown, you don't, some people, like, you know, they put more risk because they already believe that so their winning cycle is coming, but we never know what's gonna happen, right? So that's why I always believe, like, you know, if you are in a drawdown, if your account is not in a good position, until at least you make that breathing room, reducing the risk is something good to do. And so we can see from here, this week we made like I made 4.4 almost 4.5%, and which is very good. By every week I'm trying to make 5%. So if you guys not using my forex book, like, you know, for your journaling, your charts and everything, I highly recommend you to link your account. It's free, and then you can get some information, data from their website. So guys, I'll show you the US30 trade I took yesterday, and it was pretty sad. And look what I saw, because you have that high and then low and then another high, but that high actually couldn't break this area, and then it's break the structure to the downside again. So I was like, okay, I have like 4-point leg coming down, and price is actually aggressively went back up, and there is so much imbalance need to be filled. So every time we know when there is imbalance like that, most of the time it will actually get mirrored to the opposite side. So then I decided to take a risk entry from here, and then when the prices came down. But last night we had unemployment rate, and the price was giving me some reaction from this imbalance block. So this is also another order block, because we can tell it's a breaker block, because you guys can see how it actually went through it. So this is very powerful area, but actually yesterday it didn't hold that area. It's crashed down, but in somewhere around here I took some parcel out, and then the another take profit was somewhere around here. And it was really pretty late at night, so I put the trade, I took some parcel and I went to sleep. But when I woke up, I was in a very good position. So that's the yesterday US30 setup.